Welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So today we are going to discuss NetCat. In our previous videos, we talk about a lot of other tools that you can use to scan your system to see your security postures like Nmap, ZenMap, etc. But today we are going to just discuss NetCat. Now, are you ready to just learn more about port scanning? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. Before we get started, according to YouTube Analytics, 98.7 of people who watch our videos, they don't subscribe. So I wouldn't want you guys to miss out. Cybersecurity is the future. Now we are putting a lot of time for you to just learn it for free. I want you to just take advantage of that. So make sure that you subscribe today so to stay up to date with our weekly videos. Okay, now head back to Kali Linux. If you don't know what Kali Linux is, I will highly recommend you to go back to our previous videos. You can start from zero and learn cybersecurity. Alright, so what we are going to do today, we are going to use Metasploitable, which is a vulnerable server, to just scan it using our Kali machine. So you can open up your terminal, you can click on here, and then we're gonna just talk about NetCat. So what is NetCat? You know, in Kali Linux, if you want to know what a command do, you can just type what is, for example, NetCat or NC. You can say NC and say TCP/IP switch army knife. So you know, this one just kind of vague. It doesn't make sense. Basically, NetCat is a network tool that can be used for scanning, listening, and connecting to network services. In one of our videos, I believe that we show how we are able to just send message between two servers or two machines using NetCat. So you can do a lot of things with it. But today, the purpose of it is to scan. So what we are going to do today, we are going to use it almost as the way we use comment for Nmap. So what we can do, we have to just type NetCat. So before we get started, what I want you to do, we can just type NetCat -l, and then from here you can see all the cool thing that you can do with that powerful tool. So you can just go ahead and just read them on your own. So I want to keep the video short, so what we're gonna do, you can just type NetCat and then -v -z -w1 10.0.2.4 and then 1-1024. So let me just explain you bit by bit. So what this means. The -v, the NC is a keyword for the command, almost like when you're scanning with Nmap, you just type Nmap first. And the -v is to enable verbose mode. The -c is to tell NetCat to scan for open ports without sending any data, because today the purpose of this video is just to scan. So the -w is W1 is set to timeout to 1 second, and then of course this is the IP address of our target. 1-1024 specify the port range to scan. Alright, we can just press enter. And then done. So the only thing that it does is just tell all the ports that are open. So you might wonder, why should I care? So why do we need to care? It's because we see that telnet is open. So if you're an attacker, because with NCAT you can actually transfer file and just send message back and forth. So you have to make sure that whatever is open need to be open. Now, if you have any questions or comment, make sure that you put them in the comment section below. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy learning.